I thought that I was being strong, I was being resilient when I was trying to eliminate all of the uncertainties in my life, where I would take precautions and I would try to guarantee every outcome by overdoing everything. And then I noticed is that what I was chasing was a fake confidence. It was not real strength. It was not resilience. It was just the exact opposite. It was avoidance. Because what would being strong mean if you're only able to deal with the stuff that you're prepared for? And life, it's definitely not what we prepare for most of the times. So what are you going to do when something unexpected comes up? You can't get ready for everything. And life is teaching this to me in a hard way. I recently suffered a really bad shoulder dislocation, a really bad injury, which messed up my whole summer. And I tried to take all the precautions. I was strengthening my stabilizers and stuff to make sure that even if my shoulder gets onto an unusual position, it does not get like dislocated or unstable. I try to recover as much as I can. I try to eat right. I try to sleep right. I try to strengthen my body so that I prevent an injury. And I have faced some injuries in the past as well, so I was trying to prevent it at all costs. And then an unexpected hit to my shoulder and it just got dislocated. And I couldn't do anything about that. I couldn't do anything. And I was devastated at first when it happened because I had no control over it. It was unexpected and I couldn't take the precaution. It was so much uncertainty that was loaded onto me that I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what was going to be my shoulder state after the injury. I didn't know if I would need surgery. I still don't know if I would need surgery. I didn't know, and I still don't know if I'm going to be able to return to martial arts, and if yes, at what time exactly. All of these uncertainties just piled up on me. It hit me from the parts where I struggle the most. The first one being my health. I can't stand not knowing what will happen about my health. And secondly, my overall relationship with uncertainty. And after this event, I was just forced to live with uncertainty and survive with this uncertainty. And by definition, that's the best that you can do. Uncertainty, you cannot eliminate uncertainty. That is not possible. You cannot know exactly what will happen. That's why it is called uncertainty. And the only way that you actually learn to live with it is to experience it. And because I couldn't learn this on my own, I see this injury, I see this whole uncertainty about my shoulder and my health as a way that life is teaching this to me by force. Now I must learn to live with it. Now I must learn to tolerate it. All these times I've talked about tolerating it, but nothing actually came closer than this event to actually forcing uncertainty in my life. This whole thing taught me that uncertainty is not going anywhere. It's real, it's with us, and it will be always with us. So there are only two options. The first one being not being able to tolerate it, try to just get precautions for everything in life, which is a very demanding and very inefficient thing to do. And I have tried this for a very long time to guarantee every outcome of my life. And I'm telling you, I'm assuring you that you don't want to go down this road. there is no light at the end of the tunnel. And the second option is to accept the fact that it's not going anywhere. I will catch you on the next one.